The best advice about generating good leads. Lead generation is very important in the business world because it helps you attract consumers to your business. You can either do it yourself or hire a company to do it for you. The latter choice is risky, so it is always better to find ways to generate leads yourself. The video below offers solid tips and ideas on how to go about doing that. Look into opportunities where you may be able to pay for leads. Paying for leads is not a bad thing at all. In fact, there are many companies out there that can deliver you leads at a surprisingly low cost. Just do your homework before signing up with anyone. There are scams out there. Survey your current customers about where they typically congregate online. To generate quality leads, you need to understand where your audience hangs out. Once you know, get involved in that community any way you can. That may mean advertising or it may mean becoming a thought leader in the community. The best way to generate leads is to ask people you know for referrals. It doesn't matter if you're a wedding planner or a car salesman, let people know what you do and ask if they know anyone who may need you. They might not today, but they might in the future. Check out local events in order to maximize your leads. If you're allowed to have a table there, you could hand out pamphlets and hold a giveaway. Just ask people to leave their name and email in return for a ballot, but be sure to let them know if you'll be adding them to a mailing list. After watching the above video, you should be able to tell the difference between a good lead and a bad one. If you go about generating leads on your own, then follow the tips that you watch here. Outside companies that offer lead generation is usually a bad idea, but with the tips you just learned, you should be able to be successful at it on your own. Student loan.